Hey everybody, it's Rick here. Hey, in this video I want to talk about where I kind of left off on the last video, which was how to remove a background of a picture. I showed you guys the tool that I used to do that, and in this video I basically want to follow up with that and say, now what do you do with that picture? You know, how do you put it over an image? How do you overlay that over an image and put that glow around the whatever the object is in that image? And in this video I'm going to show you another free tool that will get that job done for you, and then you know, we'll place it over a different photo. If you guys are a subscriber of this channel, then you already know who I am, and you've probably watched some of my videos, and that's why you subscribe. But if you don't know who I am, my name is Rick. Obviously, this is my channel, and you know, if you guys are into you know, free tools online, paid tools, product reviews, just affiliate marketing, different ways that you can make money online, then that's what this channel is about. If that's what you guys like, then please consider subscribing to the channel and checking out all the videos to see you know, if some of this stuff can't help you out in your online journey. So with that being said, let's check this out. And this is basically what I use to put that glow around an image. And this is all I use it for. My main editor is Cyberlink Power Director, but I do use this one just basically for that glow that goes around the image, and that's really it. I could probably use it for about anything that I need, but I'm so used to my other one that I just use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up an image from the computer. Yeah, I use this one here, it looks like, too. Well, let's go ahead and use this one again. You go over here, once you get it pulled up, and you go to this layer style right here, and then you go to enter. Now you pick the color that you want. Let's say we're going to do a I don't know, let's go with green. Move that all the way over. Okay. Now you can see right here, you can see the glow already is around the image, right? So, you know, I can make that, this is the inside inner glow, I can make that bigger and kind of feathered in so it's not such a hard line. Or if I want to make it a hard line, then I just do that. Well, it closes me in, and we don't want to do that. So we want to try to keep that to a minimum and just have a nice soft glow there. I don't want to make it too big. So we're going to do something like that. Nice soft glow. Then we're going to go over here to outer glow. We're going to click that, and then we're going to do the same, pretty much the same color. I don't know if it's going to be exact, but close enough for this example. Hit OK, and we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to create that glow. We're going to scale that up. Let's try about 85. And you can harden that up to where it's more of a hard line. You see how that glows more of a big, giant, thick line. I don't really like that myself. I just would prefer a glow like that. I think that's pretty good. Because this is actually going on a smaller image, because it's going to, most likely it's going to go on a thumbnail, which is going to be a small image when you first see it. Here, and as we're viewing it, it looks larger. The glow does in the picture, because it is. But once it goes on, you transfer that to a smaller picture, then you know you don't notice the glow or the color around the outline as much. So we're going to go with that. Again, it looks big now, but once it goes onto that thumbnail, it'll look good. So I'm going to hit OK. And then we're going to take and go save it. I thought there was a save as. Okay, let's just go save. I want to save this so you can already tell that, you know, that glow almost just looks like a hard line because it's smaller here, but we're going to go with that. Actually, I don't know if I want to. I think I want it to look bigger. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. We're going to go ahead and save it. We want to save it as a PNG, then we'll go ahead and name it. Glowing green. I'm not really gonna care what that says. I know what it is. And then we hit OK. And we're just gonna save it here with the other PNG photos of me. PNG pics of me, and there it is. So we'll go ahead and open that up. There's the picture. All right. I really don't want to show you the other tool right now because I want to save it for a different video, and that tool is basically a free online editor that we can overlay. We can take this picture and overlay over a different picture. I've got a few different ones that I use. This one that I'm going to show you guys is free. Now I have a couple other ones that I use that I pay for. I really like them because there's more options with the paid versions. Well, they're different tools, but these two particular paid tools that I use, they just have more options for you, you know. Whereas the free tool that I'm going to show you to place this over, you know, a different photo for a thumbnail or whatever, it just doesn't have as many options. What I do like about it though is it is pretty basic for what I need it for with my Instagram page, because I don't need anything real fancy with that. I have kind of a couple of different softwares that I use for it as well that are free, and that's how I make my Instagram photos, and they work really easy. So I've got kind of a system down with that, with those two softwares. So I use those two free softwares for Instagram. The other two softwares that are paid for, I use those for my YouTube thumbnails because they have more options, more templates, and just more design tools and stuff within the tool. So anyways, this is the picture that we've got with the glow. So on the next video, I want to show you the other tools and how we take these images, these PNG images, and we layer them over you know, whatever photo that we're doing, whether it's going to be for Instagram or, you know, thumbnails for YouTube. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like it. Leave me a comment, let me know you know, what you think about the tools that I'm showing you here, and check out the next video to see how we take these images now that we've put the glow around them and put them over other images. So with that being said, guys, that's all I have for right now, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.